Well, all that shopping between now and the end of the year is enough to put anyone in a holidays, not to mention all that wrapping that you have to do. So wouldn't it be great if someone could actually come right into your home and do it for you? Well, that's exactly what Jenny Cyrano and Angie Colombo do. Their company is called Wrap Artists. And thank you guys so much, first of all, for being here with us. And this is going to be a welcome surprise for so many of our viewers. First of all, how'd you guys come up with this idea? And how much does it cost?
Well, it's great. We were hoping, we both left our corporate jobs,
right,
and we were hoping to do something artistic and crafty. We both enjoy both things, and we really wanted to help people out. We wanted to do something that would put us to use, make us feel good,
right,
and really help those stressed out shoppers who, you know, don't want to stand in line after they're done in a department store. And we realized there was no other alternative.
So you guys actually come into people's homes and you will wrap their gifts, but
yes,
how many gifts do they have to have in order for you to come? And then again, how much does it cost?
Great. We will come if you have at least 10 gifts.
Okay.
We have a price range. We charge per gift like the department stores, but we feel we're very competitive in our prices. We start at $5 for very small jewelry boxes.
Okay.
And then we go up to a smaller size, like for an iPod or small books or a BlackBerry or a Palm or CDs or DVDs, $8 a gift. And as you can see, we use beautiful paper and gorgeous ribbons, and we put an ornament on every gift.
Yeah, you guys really have some great stuff here. I wish I would have known about your company when I was wrapping all my gifts on Sunday. You would have saved me a lot of time.
Helped you.
Okay, now let's get some tips here, because you guys, you really have some beautiful ornaments, great ribbons, and people really like their gifts to look special.
Absolutely.
So what are some good tips for us?
Okay, well, first, before I start that, I just want to let everyone know that we also do not just Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. We have papers and ribbon for every holiday
For this time of year. Okay, terrific. So now what about these tips?
Okay, first tip, start early.
Yeah.
You don't want to be spending Christmas Eve, you know, when you should be enjoying the holiday and some eggnog. You don't want to be spending it wrapping gifts.
Wrapping gifts. So what about the gifts themselves? What are some good little tips here that most people don't realize?
Start with high quality paper. Heavy paper, the heavier the better. Foils are lovely, but they can be very unforgiving. So if you're going to
go with foils, easily.
They rip easily.
I found that, yeah.
When you crease them and you need to redo it,
right,
it doesn't always come back to life. You might have to scrap the whole piece of paper.
Okay.
So, but they are lovely, as you can see. We have some foils here.
I know
they
do
make
look
great
pretty.
presentations. So, you know, I personally love them. But again, if you're going to use
just be careful. Okay, so use heavy-duty paper. What's another great tip?
We like to use real ribbon instead of curly-Q ribbon.
Oh, right, where you take with the
you take
with
your
the scissors and you're curling it.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah,
that
this is much easier to get
in
a
the
result.
end really makes the present look special. We also like to put little embellishments on. We brought a few samples here.
I always like that too.
And you can buy, you know, lots of different things in craft stores and places.
Yeah. You know what I found though too? You know when people send you flowers at Christmas time? To save the little ornaments that they put in those bouquets, because that's what you can then put on to little gifts. You know, the nuts and the berries and the pine cones. And
if you have an old wreath and a live wreath and it dies after the end of Christmas and you save you give the evergreen to mulch, you take all the gifts off and you can spray paint them gold or silver or a color, or just leave them plain and they look lovely.
Yeah, they do look great.
Like this would be great on a large box.
Yeah.
And you can, exactly, you don't have to go out and buy ornaments especially for it. You can reuse and recycle what you have.
All right, well ladies, thanks so much for coming in. You guys got some beautiful stuff here, and people I'm sure are going to be very happy to hear that you will come into their home and save them a lot of time.
And we clean up our mess too.
And you clean up your mess, even better. All right, now if you want a session with the Wrap Artists, you can reach them at this number right here. It's 718, bottom of your screen, 718-894-3877, or you can log on to wrapartists2003 at yahoo.com. So give them a call. John, over to you.
All right, those are the kind of wrap artists I could listen to all day.